Hello and welcome to today's talk. I am Dr. Ben Tinker and I am a chiropractor. Today we're going to be talking about chiropractic and how it differs from mainstream medicine and other health sectors. So chiropractic in and of itself looks at the body as an organism, an ecosystem, almost like a garden. And when I'm looking at the body, I'm looking to see exactly how healthy the body is. And when I say healthy, I mean almost on a cellular level, is your body working? So when I'm looking at, for example, a knee injury or a hamstring tear, what I'm not doing is trying to treat that hamstring tear. I'm not going to go in and massage it. I'm not going to put ultrasound on it or put TENS machine to use a therapy to try and trick your brain to thinking that it's not okay, or sorry, that it is okay. Or I'm not going to try and put any creams or lotions or anything like that on it. I'm not going to be prescribing any medicine. What I'm doing is I'm trying to find out, well, why is your hamstring always tight? Why is it deciding to switch on when you're running? Lots of people think this is an overuse injury. Well, why is it being overused? You're using the other side just the same, right? And it could be an overuse if you did have both sides bad. It could be an overuse. You need to rest then. But then when people rest, it seems to get better, and then it will come straight back again. And then they go and do the same things to make themselves feel better, be it massage or manipulation or medicine to try and make them feel better. Chiropractic does not care for any of these things. We just don't. What we care about is that your body is healthy. And when your body is healthy and aligned, and your brain can communicate to the tissues, when your joints are aligned properly, they're not going to be under any stress, and therefore you're not going to have muscle tension, spasms. When your brain can communicate to your body better, it will be able to heal. So when you do get a problem, when you do get an injury, it will heal. That's what we can care about. It's like going on a diet. If you go on a diet to lose weight, you can eat meat, you can not eat meat, you can eat fat, you can not eat fat, you can do this diet and that trend and this one and that one, but does losing weight mean that you're healthier? Well, if you go into a nutritionist or a dietitian and you're looking at health and they're looking at health, what they're going to be doing is they're going to be telling you, you need to be sufficient in these minerals and these vitamins, and you need to have these types of proteins and these types of fats and these types of sugars. But when you're losing weight, you don't need to focus on any of that. So your question kind of determines your outcome. If you were going back to that dietitian and you were just trying to improve your cellular function, they're going to recommend you just eat the right things, right? But also not eat bad things. So remove all the poisons from your system. So it'll be like detoxification or drinking less toxic chemicals and eating less processed food. But if you were just focusing on losing weight, then you could include a lot of processed food in that diet. So it's the same as chiropractic, or when we're looking at a physical injury, you can go and you can get pain reduction, and you can use acupuncture and cupping and soft tissue manipulation and high velocity, low amplitude HVLA manipulation to get rid of that pain as well, so you're not feeling it. Or you can go to someone who's going to care to look after and help your body get back into balance. When your body's back into balance, you're not going to need to worry about those other things. When your body is nutritionally good, you're not going to need to take hormonal supplements, or your diabetes might completely disappear, your thyroid might get back into function, your heart blood pressure will go down or up depending on your situation. So that is the difference between chiropractic and how a chiropractor views the body versus let's say a traditional therapist. Traditional therapists are looking to help you feel better. Medical doctors are looking to help you feel better, so that when you have that fever, we know that this cold is going to last, 5-6 days. So if we can help you feel better during those 5 or 6 days before your body heals, that's great. So a kind of a wellness perspective would look at it like, well, when you're sick, make sure that you've got all the vitamins and minerals that your body needs to get better. If you don't have all of the vitamins and minerals, and if your body is toxic in a lot of things, you're going to take longer to get better. Similar in when it's a physical injury. When you injure your shoulder, for example, well, if it moves correctly and you have the right proteins and you have the right fats and you have the right anti-inflammatory foods in your diet, your body will heal just perfectly in 1 week to maybe 2 months if it's a bad shoulder problem. However, if you're just looking to remove the pain, you can take your painkillers, muscle relaxants, anti-inflammatories, massage, acupuncture, cupping, and all of these things, and not really care for how the shoulder functions. There is the difference. I know I'm going on and on about this, but it seems like people aren't getting it. There's 2 different ways of looking at the body, and actually I've found them to be quite compatible. What you can't do though is, put heat and ice, and there are some incompatibilities with the medical approach. But you could definitely see a physiotherapist to put ultrasound on the tendons to make the inflammation go down. And you could also see the chiropractor to improve your alignment and put your joints back into position so that they move and function better, so that your body heals better. I hope that makes sense. Don't just want to keep going on and on about the same thing. Maybe I'll find a little bit easier way of explaining it at a later date, but hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, let me know your ideas of how you've looked after your body and how you have got better as well. Just a quick summary: chiropractic definitely falls into a wellness kind of look after your body, keep it healthy, get it healthy approach, rather than treating anything or putting any therapy or cream or lotion or potion on to just make you feel better. Thanks a lot, and catch you soon.